Getting a bit more fibre in your diet is like taking care of yourself. I love these because they are high in fibre. They're the Ryvita dark rye, crunchy rye breads. And I'm going to use them in a way I think is quite different, and that is with boiled egg and soldiers. So what you do is you just score like that, and then you can kind of snap it in a very satisfying manner. Look at this. So nice. Put your egg in there. I have to be savage with the old taking the top off. I don't know what you'd normally have on your soldiers in the morning. Now, you could put some Marmite or something really salty on here. I'm a complete butter freak. Oh, yes. Dippy, dippy. Get a bit of yolk on there. Thank you very much. Amazing.